It's one of our key questions, is that when it gets to a job site, oh, my saw is not cutting straight, what do I need to do? So we thought we'd put this video together to show you how simple and how easy it is to do it. Step one is to loosen off all the socket head cap screws and the bolts at either end of the machine. Okay, with all the bolts loosened off, you're now ready to move the head to realign the blade to the center of the table. You'll need two tools, what we call a straight edge, and then also a ruler that looks something similar to this. Step two, put one of the rulers at the end of the machine table, and getting your other ruler, place it alongside the other ruler so you have a nice flat edge. Plunge the blade down far enough so you have it sitting at least level with the slot in the center of the machine. Move the ruler alongside the blade. Standing behind the machine and looking at the blade, run the blade up and down the ruler to see if the blade is running along the same line as the ruler. If there's any gaps, slowly tap either end of the head unit, just gently with your hand, to each end or whichever part is not running true and straight with the ruler. Check it again. Run the blade up and down the ruler to ensure the same gap is next to the ruler at the top end and the bottom end. Retighten all the screws and there you go.